What's up guys, welcome to TANSAFTECH YouTube channel. Samsung has a rough start in the foldable smartphone market with the Galaxy Fold. An initial unit of the handset suffered from a problem in the display design which could severely damage the handset. The company was forced to postpone the handset launch to several months after its original plan. However, the Samsung Fold launched and it was considered a success despite its high price tag. Now the company pretty much consolidated in foldable smartphone market with Galaxy Z Flip being its latest entry. Now Samsung is getting ready to unveil the Galaxy Fold 2. According to the previous South Korean publication, the smartphone giant has begun mass production for the Galaxy Fold 2, and considering the timing, it could be ready for the release in August. The first detail about the handset internal may start to emerge in the next month. Worth noting that the handset may come alongside with the Note 20 series, which is usually come in August, and according to the sources that are familiar with the matter, Samsung may use the UTG, which is an ultra thin glass in the Fold 2, and its display will be of ultra thin glass, the very same material that has been used in the Galaxy Z Flip. According which makes the Gorilla Glass said that the branded variant would be ready in a couple of years, and apparently Samsung has linked a deal with the company and uses a bendable glass for the 2021 flagship phones. And since Gorilla supplies its producer to many vendors, it would apparently be able to keep the price of its bendable glass low. So not only we can expect that the Galaxy Fold 3 is pretty much durable, but it will likely considerably cheaper than the original Fold. The first generation of the Fold was launched in 1980, and per rumors its successor could be $100 cheaper despite having a superior specs such as the under display camera, which doesn't sound so far-fetched now that a Chinese company has cracked the code of embedding selfie camera. However, $1880 a device would still be pretty much expensive for most of the customers. In addition to Galaxy Fold, the company may also release a new Galaxy Fold Lite, and it will be more affordable than its counterpart. But keep hold your breath because this device is going to be an expensive device, and the price for that particular device may be ranging from $1,000. So guys, if you are not deep pocket or simply don't want to splurge on a foldable phone, you should probably hold off for a year, because the next year is going to be a foldable device which is going to be much cheaper and it's going to be having a much solid of a front display. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.